What's up, guys? Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm featuring this laser bore sight kit from CVLIFE that was sent over to me to showcase for you guys. As you can see, this here comes in a hard shell carrying case. Inside, you're going to find a user manual. Goes over the full usage instructions for the laser bore sighter. You got 32 adapters, your laser bore sight, a couple of batteries. I've already put one in the bore sighter here. They give you an extra screw in case you lose one of the screws from your adapters. You got an Allen key here for adjusting your laser, screwdriver for securing your adapters, and a auger bit, basically an adapter here. So this here is super easy to use, guys. This here works on calibers from 0.17 all the way up through 12 gauge. Basically, your smaller adapters, your smaller bores, you're going to be able to use this here without the adapter. The way this works is when you in your larger bores, like say up to 12 gauge, you're going to put this over, and you see this here creates a bigger cone for your bigger bores. So basically, the only thing you're going to do is screw this guy here onto the laser bore sighter. Obviously, you know, choosing the one that is correct for your bore. Screw that in. You can cinch it up with the included screwdriver here. Goes down into your bore, and then basically you're going to throw your laser. This one here is the red laser. You're going to throw your laser, and you can throw your crosshairs or your red dot up to the laser beam there. So, you know, it's just a great way, guys, of saving time and saving money. You know, you're not throwing lead down range seeking your target out. You can basically get a rough sight using the bore sighter kit, and then when you get to the range, you're just fine-tuning your zero. So if you guys are looking for a nice bore sighter kit for pretty much any caliber you may have, I highly recommend the CVLIFE here. Hope this helps.